KineMaster versus Adobe Premiere Pro. Choosing the right video editor can completely change how you create professional videos without complicated workflows. KineMaster offers mobile convenience, while Premiere Pro delivers advanced desktop editing power. KineMaster and Adobe Premiere Pro are two popular video editors targeting different users. KineMaster focuses on easy, on-the-go mobile editing, while Premiere Pro is a feature-rich desktop program designed for detailed, high-end video production. The core difference lies in platform and editing depth. KineMaster is a mobile video editing app available on Android and iOS, designed for quick, intuitive editing on smartphones and tablets. It offers a multi-layer timeline for video, images, and effects, plus tools like trimming, transitions, and color adjustments. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible for beginners and content creators needing fast edits on the move. KineMaster supports 4K export and has built-in asset stores for additional effects and music. However, it lacks the advanced precision and customization options found in desktop software, and some features require a subscription. Ideal users are social media creators, vloggers, and anyone wanting powerful editing without a steep learning curve or desktop setup. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional-grade desktop video editor available for Windows and Mac. It offers a robust timeline with unlimited tracks, advanced color grading, audio mixing, and integration with Adobe Creative Cloud apps. Premiere Pro supports a wide range of formats and resolutions, including 8K and VR, making it suitable for filmmakers and video professionals. It features powerful tools like motion graphics templates, multicam editing, and AI-assisted features such as scene edit detection. The learning curve is steeper compared to mobile editors, and it requires a subscription with a higher price point. Premiere Pro is ideal for users who need detailed control, collaboration capabilities, and high-quality output for commercial or cinematic projects. KineMaster excels in mobile convenience and fast editing, perfect for creators producing content on smartphones or tablets without sacrificing essential editing tools. It offers a straightforward workflow, but is limited in advanced features and precision. Adobe Premiere Pro, on the other hand, provides comprehensive editing capabilities suited for complex projects, with professional color grading, audio controls, and integration with other Adobe apps. However, it demands a powerful computer and more time to master. For casual creators or social media videos, KineMaster offers simplicity and speed. For filmmakers or professionals working on detailed content, Premiere Pro delivers unmatched depth and flexibility despite the steeper learning curve and higher cost. Choose KineMaster if you prioritize mobile editing, ease of use, and quick turnaround for social media or casual video projects. Adobe Premiere Pro is the best choice for professionals needing advanced features, extensive format support, and precise control over every aspect of video production. For series creators aiming for cinematic quality and collaboration, Premiere Pro delivers the most powerful editing experience available.